morning. I already had everything packed last night. Your girl was ready. And then all of a sudden, my car didn't want to start. So yesterday it snowed and my dad had to come get my antifreeze out of my car. And he was like, hey, you know, your light, you can put it on the switch so when you open the doors, it's always on. And I always leave it on that setting, but I didn't think anything of it. I thought maybe I turned it off. But the light just didn't turn on, I guess, because it was so cold. And so my dad flicked it over and he put it on instead of like on only when doors are open or whatever. And so I came to like crank my car this morning. You know, I'm like, I wake up, I get enough rest. I'm like, oh yeah, I'm gonna just hop in the whip and get to cruising. Y'all, I tried to crank my car and he said no. It was like, I said, so now I look up and I'm like, why is it acting like that? And I looked at my radio and it like said, you know, do you want to reset it, set the time, blah blah blah. And I was like, did my battery die? So now I look up at the light, I'm like, oh goodness, that's what happened. So luckily my mom was home, so I jumped the car, jumped on the road, but of course it's still kind of here after 70 hours.
So exciting.
All right, now that people know what's going on in our master suite.
Look at this chair though.
Give me a pose, give me a pose. All right, I'm out of here. Krista, did you almost just fall? Guys, we've been in the car for what feels like days. The traffic is unruly.
What?
Wait, I missed the jump. Krista. Yes, he had to redo the jump. So we're about to go to Disney Springs because Krista says I can get my ears and I need them.
Because we got a little.
Oh, I'm look beating the face, curling the wig. We're in there.
OMG, like we can move in here.
Hold on.
Yeah.
Okay, amenities.
Do you know how many wine bottles we could fit in here?
6 million. Am I being dramatic?
What is going on?
Yeah, we need to unpack our things. All right, guys, so 2 beds, and then this is the bathroom. We're gonna remember this forever. What a moment to be alive.
This is just what we're coming every time we come to Disney, okay?
Shower. Okay, marble. Then the closet. Even have a blow dryer just in case my wig thinks it's gonna get displaced. All right. I'm gonna use the restroom and then we need to hit the road. 7:35. When did we get on the road? Like 12?
Yeah, something around that.
Alrighty. $159. They are playing about these prices. Is this the morning? They have the Mickey Mouse gloves. There's a lot of breakable things in here. Here they are.
I'm sure they have more shorts from somewhere else.
Okay. Is that what she wanted? Why do it just looks ginormous? Oh, they have a Goofy hat.
I'm good with my little.
Same.
Be twinsy.
First, you have to pop yours on. This is a moment for the both of us. Okay, the way you tucked it under. I think we're ready.